Hi guys, Joy here, no Dark Gaming. Today we're playing some more. Actually we're not playing more of Minecraft or anything you're thinking of. We're playing some World of Warships. If you now play World of Warships, this... Okay, that loops. But instead of having tanks or planes, you have battleships. Or boats, pretty much. At the moment, you probably see a loot objective. He's probably still loading, or he's just waiting for me, because I'm still loading in. On a tier 2 ship, and he's in his big ass one. Yep, and he's trying to show off.
I don't know how much it costs.
Massive lag spike.
I'm not gonna fire on it again. I've only fired my
Okay, I'm going to set. This is what I do all the time. Okay, Luke, I'm going to head to B to A.
There. Yeah, where I put my map.
I'll put on off pilot mode. Oh, we got an aircraft carrier. I repeat, we got an aircraft carrier. I don't know how to use the anti-air one. Look, I know mine is really bad at anti-air, I forgot.
There he is.
My guns won't go that far.
South Carolina. Which is a ship. My wild.
Now you can have history
Our
lesson.
team has taken the lead.
So why
Incoming planes, the torpedoes probably. So they're all English here. He's still in school and I'm at college. Incoming planes. You're at school. A young gamer. True, and I'm in college. Okay, that's kind of business. Hey Luke, what's the key for to scope? The scope. I haven't got mouse, remember? Okay, he hasn't done anything. Lot of torpedoes coming in, because they got... Wait, does the 1 year triangle boat, you want to have a picture on a thing. Destroy. Do they get smoke screen?
Dead ahead.
Wait, torpedoes. Oh no. Please miss, please miss, please miss. Oh, that was close. That was very close. Oh yeah, you're right, this is the spot.
My aim is to go. Mass destruction.
Oh.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Yeah, he's just got carried away.
I don't. Before the torpedoes get me. Or the guy in the battleship pulled me a nuke.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
Stop. When they
Luckily, most of the
Reach protecting the water quickly.
Yeah, we're going here. Oh, that's close. That one guy's getting very close.
Yeah, I need 2 seconds. I have no chance of surviving this one.
Look, you know just what you told me to go, right. I'm pretty much just steamed up here. Wow. Oh crap, I'm steamed up now.
I've taken out someone, I've done so much.
Yeah, we are so screwed. This is going to be a very quick match.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Practically, I'm still alive. Well, good for you guys.
Yeah, I managed to blow up one thing at least. I managed to ram into the enemy team and blow up. Yep, and I took somebody with me. I won, but 2 hits from one other guy. I managed to ram one battleship.
Ship, I think 1 time in the middle damage. 3 times the second light, 7 times.
So I got 2 hit and 1 ram kill. Good, we're not going to win this. We still got aircraft at least. Yeah, that's one downside. So most of us are going to get struck by either torpedoes or planes. But yeah, you know we're going to be doing that battle too. You know, on Space Engineers. But look, you know we're going to plan to do that video on Space Engineers. I got a really good idea to trick Josh and Chris. No, I don't know. But okay, but I'll give you a little hint. You know the projector block? If we take, we have to use a blueprint. If we have like a connector and a reactor and a projector block, we should disconnect it and hit a fire somewhere. They think, oh look, we stopped and think we can ambush them. And they're going full for it, and boom. Yeah, I think I best bet good karma. But I got hit. The guy behind me got hit. What kind of planes do you send out? It's like what level 1 plane. What kind of planes do you send out? World War 1 from World War 2. Oh, that's so screwed. He's only got 2 guns. Oh, and he's got ray guns too. I think they're planning to do that later on. Yeah, with you have new boats and that. Have they? Well, because they're too overpowered. No, because sometimes you need surfaces to kill some people. Hmm. Yeah, but you probably have to get the submarine class later on. This guy needs to repair fast. Yeah. This guy's gonna sink. He's gonna sink like the Titanic. Yeah.
The enemy is about to win.
Prepare yourself, you muppet. Oh, he's screwed. GG for you. Oh. And now, we'll split it in half. No, but remember, it has long gaps in the... Yeah, I saw.
I love that. If only like the ships, like ships, the aircraft.
Oh yeah, man, if you have submarines and that, you remember, you see on some of the boats, you got these weird barrels on them. Depth charges. Oh, you actually can use them. But it'd be quite useful. It would be kind of cool to have depth charges and you know, U-boats and that. Currently only got 3 people on our team left. 2 battleships and 1. Oh, I think this one's gonna go. This guy's just about to go. Kapuya. Or kaboom on Badoosh.
Oh, I got 50,000 out of that.
Yeah, same. Especially the kill.
I'm getting tier 4 aircraft carrier as well.
Okay. First, I'm gonna end the video here.
Oh, no, they've added up the price.
Have they?
It was still 9,000.
I'm gonna try and get this tier 3 one soon.
What's some Garrett?
No, because you got the one of course the 750 and the ST Lawrence.
I can't wait to see the Russians.
How fully already have, but you have to be you have to pay for it. And they're probably gonna add the British thing.
Wonder how annoyed Americans.
Okay, we're gonna end the video here. Pretty much.
You know what? They're actually going to release one of the Americans. And the Americans started to bomb the bombs. They have no choice.
Oh. Okay, please like and subscribe, and if you want to see more of this, please comment in or in the comments below. And bye.